students. Yesterday we have started NCERT book, series Math Magic book, first one chapter. Here, this building with bricks. Then today you see here is page number 6. Looking through a brick jali. You see this brick jali. You see this brick jali here also, here also, here also brick jali. The masons who built the Jagriti school has also made different jali pattern on the walls. See this jali pattern on the walls. And how many different jali patterns can you see in these two photos? You see in these two photos how many these different jali pattern. Here one pattern, here one, then here one pattern, again here one pattern, this also pattern different, and here one pattern. Means how many here? 6 patterns here in these two photos, jali pattern. This is drawing of another beautiful jali. See here, jali pattern here, again one, here photo is given. Now color some bricks red and make your own jali pattern in the wall drawn below. Can you see the window here, Jharkhua, in this photo on the school? You see this Jharkhua, this, can you see this window? Now draw here some Jharkhua patterns on the wall here, and can you shade it black? On this wall you draw here this type of this Jharkhua pattern and give here this shade of this black. Next one, page number you see here, page number 8. The jali is from a library building in Kerala. In library building Kerala, you see this jali pattern. See how the edge of these bricks is used to make a triangle in the wall. You see here how this edge of these bricks is used to make these bricks triangle in shape. You see these shapes here. See this, all these shapes are this triangle. Have you seen bricks that look like triangles? Look at the bricks around the trees in these photos. You see this here triangle type of this here bricks you see here. Do you see the arcs in this photo? Here see these arcs. This is from a school in this Faizabad. You see this Faizabad wall of these bricks. This here arcs. Find out, look for other arches around you and draw them. In these types of these arches, you around you draw in your notebook. Then have you seen these arches in a bridge? Where else have you seen? And this arch, see here, a special arc. Here one is special arc. You see this picture, page number 9. Here one this special arc. Here design also. In this photo from Orchia, see how the arc is made, and it has a nice name. This Ghungat Wali Mehrab. Ghungat Wali Mehrab. Then isn't this yellow of this window beautiful? It is made of thin bricks. Have you ever seen these thin bricks? Look around. You are looking around. You see these thin bricks? No. This Jamal and Kalu, the masons of the Jagriti school, said that their grandfathers used here many different kinds of these bricks. Their grandfather made here these many different kinds of these bricks. You see these bricks. Some of these are shown in these photos. Then you see here which of these bricks have these curved edges, and which of the faces do you see here longest brick, and is there any brick which has more than 6 faces? You see here, have you seen these bricks of these different sizes? How long is, how wide is, and how high is it? Here bricks given. Then you found measure this. How long is it? How wide is it? And how high is it? Mania wants to make a wall 1 meter long. Then how many bricks will she need to put in a line? She wants to make a one wall 1 meter long. Then how many bricks will she need to put in a line? Then you see and write here answer. Then next one point is here bricks and bricks hot and fresh. Ganesh and Sahiba live near a clean where bricks are made. Then can you guess how high is this chimney here? Is it about 5 meter, 15 meter and about 50 meters? You see this chimney here. Can you guess this how high this chimney? You measure and write answer. Okay. Then next one, see this page number 11. Ganesh and Sahiba love to look at the pattern of bricks in the long lines kept out to dry. They also watch how bricks are made. You see this brick pattern, this they kept in a long lines, and you see this how bricks are this made. Here are 4 patterns from the brick lane, and these pictures are jumbled up. Look at them carefully. You see these 4 patterns of these bricks. First one, the second, third and fourth. These you see these 4 these brick pattern. How do you think a brick is made up of this soil dug from the earth? You see in this picture how this brick is made up of this by using this soil and dug from soil in the dug from this earth. Look at the picture. This next one, see here only one page number remains, 12. Have you seen a brick lane? Did you try to guess the numbers bricks kept there? See, there are many bricks lanes in India. Thousands of them, more than 100,000. You know 100,000. Can you imagine how this number is, and this number is called as a 1 lakh. You know this here 100,000. 100,000. See here 100 and 1000 again. Here how many zero? 3 zero. Then 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. In 1 lakh also here 5 zero, and 100,000 also 5 zero, means 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Can you too write it? Ask your friends where they have heard of a lakh. Find out, look at these photos and guess how many bricks are carried in this truck, and also find out from a truck driver how many bricks they can carry in one truck. You see here many bricks are there, and how many bricks they can travel in one truck. You see here this Bhajan went to buy bricks. The price was given for here 1000 bricks. The prices were also different for different types of these bricks. See here old bricks 1200, and new bricks price is here 1800. New bricks from Brickabad, here price is this 2000. Means here this price of these bricks also different. Bhajan decided to buy these new bricks from this Brickabad, and he bought the 3000 bricks. Then how much did he pay? He bought how many bricks? 3000. 3000. See here 3000, and here one bricks from 1000 brick is price is here 2000. 1000 brick price is 2000. Then 3000 into 2000. Then 3 2s are 6, and this 60 means answer is here 60 lakh. 60 lakh means he paid how many rupees? 60 lakh. Then here this first one chapter completed, building with bricks. Okay, bye.